Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Let's get started with our morning meeting.
The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Days of the week. Today is Monday. Yesterday was Sunday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. The month is May, so it is finally May, guys. Last month of the school year. So today is Monday, the 4th. Today is Monday, May 4th, 2020. So what is today? Monday, 4th, May 2020. The weather today is going to be partly sunny. It's probably going to get a little hotter than days before. I know we got a little bit of a cooler weather over the weekend, but we might be still in the 90 degrees, so we might get hot. And for social skills, we are going to be reviewing the Don't Quit. So don't quit means that you will keep pushing until the end of the school year. So this is just a short video that you can watch about not quitting. That means that you're going to push, and continue to finish the year strong, complete all your assignments so that you can get your grades and pass to the next grade level. So remember, be active, continue to do your exercise, drink a lot of water. It's getting very hot outside, guys. And for a social skills lesson, did you do anything different this weekend? So something different that I did this weekend was spend more time with my family. Now that there's no ordinance or laws that are telling us to stay at home, now I'm able to visit my mom. For today's agenda, we're going to be doing math. So we're going to be working on math, and then as well as everything else, your social skills, reviewing story time, exercise. So let's make sure we complete all of that for today. If you have any questions, feel free to reach me, and I will gladly help you out and answer any questions you have. All right, let's get started.